Unschool is built on the idea of working together and learning together so that we can be a step closer to all the unschoolers. So let me welcome you to the Unschool community that helps us connect better. What is this community and what's its purpose? It's pretty simple actually. All you need to do is go to your browser and type community.unschool.in, and with your login credentials, you can easily type in the login box your email ID and the password that's assigned to you and click on the login button. As soon as you enter the community, you'll be able to see your common feed where all the courses that you've enrolled for and all the community feed will be visible to you. On the right is where the first step begins. You start with completing your profile, entering all the details like your social media accounts, your college details, and you'll also be able to see the kind of posts, the groups, the followers, and the followings you have. In this dashboard, you'll also be able to see the kind of discussions you've taken part in, all the questions you've asked on the community, the answers you've given, and the replies that you've received. Once you finish your profile, this will become 100%, and then you can start interacting with everybody on the community. On the left side of the community, you can see the main topics that all the unschoolers are talking about. You can see under the My Group section all the courses that you've enrolled for if you're an advanced or a pro learner. You can also check out your senior coach who's created the course and understand what their background is and what their expertise are. And once you're in your course group, on the right side, you can see the highlighted topics. And when you click on these hashtags, you'll be able to go through all the questions and discussions that other learners are having real time. If you wish to like or even comment on a particular post, feel free to do that. You can just click on the comments button, type in your comment, and press on the post button. While you do that, you can also see the members that are part of your community. And if you wish to interact with any one of these community learners or unschoolers, you go to their profile, and on the right top corner you see a message button, and they'll be available to answer all your doubts and queries. We encourage you to follow as many unschoolers on the platform so that you are able to expand your network of unschoolers across the country. If you are a pro and advanced learner, you'll also be given an opportunity to discuss and clear all your doubts with fellow unschoolers and the junior and senior coaches. The community also posts the schedule for all the live sessions every single month and the topics that the junior or the senior coaches will be discussing. You can see the meeting link will also be on the post. And if at any point of time you have a doubt about the course that you're learning, all you need to do is go to the search bar on the top and type your question. If your question is already posted by somebody on the community, you can directly click on that question and see what the junior coach or the other learners have commented on it. If you see no comments on any post, we highly encourage you to interact with the community. While you're learning, we want your unschool journey to be as fulfilling. When you come on your main feed, you'll see your reputation score, which helps you to be competing with unschoolers at all times. We give you an all-time leaderboard, a monthly leaderboard, and a weekly leaderboard. If you are at the top of the leaderboard week on week and month on month, you'll get exciting vouchers and a lot of discounts on courses that Unschool offers. I highly recommend you to use the Unschool community and have a lovely experience with us. If you've enjoyed the learning experience at Unschool's learning platform, I bet that you'll have a wonderful experience while you're on the community. While you create your minor and major projects, we recommend that you post them on the community. And when you finish your course, you'll get multitude internship opportunities on the platform in various groups. My name is Narayanan, and I welcome you wholeheartedly to join the Unschool community and be part of learners across the country.